This is the video of T cells killing the cancer cells. The green one is the T cell and the orange is the cancer cells. You will notice that the T cells is attacking the cancer cells to kill and destroy it.
Ano ba ang T cells? T cells are subtype of white blood cells which play a key role in the immune system and fight cancer. Killer T cells kill cancer cells directly. They travel via blood vessels to reach the tumor, infiltrate it, recognize the cancer cells, and kill them. Alam mo ba na merong product na maaaring mag-boost ng ating T cells? I want to share with you Elixir Placenta. Since it has a stem cell therapy, it helps to produce healthy T cells and repairs damaged cells in our body. It helps to kill cancer cells naturally. Also, Elixir Placenta helps to boost our immune system para iwas sa iba't ibang klase ng sakit. Follow, like, and share for more health tips!